Hi, I'm here with Levi from Little Fuse, and we've got some silicon carbide gate technology behind us that is kind of interesting. Levi, why don't you tell us what we're kind of looking at here?
Sure. So there's a lot of benefits that come along with silicon carbide. Increased power density, increased efficiency, lower form factor, simpler designs, simpler thermal management, for example. But along with some of those things that silicon carbide enables, there's also some side effects that may come along that are undesirable, and if they're not properly managed, can rear their ugly heads in the designs. So these evaluation kits that Little Fuse has developed are really aimed at helping design engineers overcome those hesitations that they may have about implementing silicon carbide in their devices, in their designs. So the first platform we had over here is for dynamic characterization of the devices. So with that, you can evaluate the switching energy, switching times, gate charge, things of that nature. It's optimized for silicon carbide wide bandgap devices, so it's minimally intrusive with its current voltage measurement. It's highly optimized to drive the devices accurately, so you can really characterize the devices and get some accurate readings. The other platform that we're advertising is the gate drive evaluation platform. So when you move to a continuous switching environment, rather than just a single or double pulse test that you would be using in the dynamic characterization, there's a whole other set of concerns that you need to be aware of, whether it be how your gate drive IC performs, your isolated power supply, any EMI propagations, even the layout of the PCB itself. With this platform, you can quickly and fairly evaluate all those aspects head-to-head in a very standardized form, so you can really be sure that your comparisons are true. And both of these platforms are going to be made available to customers and your readers in a way by reference designs that will be published online. Online you'll be able to go download the design files, send the Gerber files out to a board house. We'll give access to a full BOM, and you can make these evaluation kits at a fraction of the cost you may be able to buy online from another vendor or something of that nature.
What do you think some of the first applications for the silicon carbide technology will be?
We're looking into EV, some solar applications, data center applications, anywhere where higher operating voltages, higher efficiency, lower form factor, higher power density, any high operating temperatures. Those are all really lucrative markets for the silicon carbide as opposed to any silicon-based technology.
Yeah, that's pretty neat technology for you guys. Thank you.
Yep, thank you.